Well, here we are. 7 hours, 20 minutes and some seconds. Gave myself 4 hours to do it in, which was a bit ambitious, as it turns out. So the boys were pretty easy to do, and all of the obvious coloured bits were relatively easy to do, as were the many faces. Plenty of pattern to go by, but then you start getting lost in these little bits where the palms and ferns are. And I personally had quite a hard time with this solid colour area here. And funny enough, all the way the word Beatles. Got to a point where I had to sort out all of the leftover pieces into shapes and strategically fill in all of the gaps. Last 20 pieces or so, here and here. I must have taken, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes.